was a modern-day gypsy when she stumbled into town. She had some tricks up her sleeve, and she took my heart and disappeared. She went up that mountain just like I feared. Come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake for me one more time. Won't you come on down from Shaker Mountain, shake right by my side. Alright, alright.
Welcome back, it's Chris from Hagon Factory. So this week we've got the Ian Mcleod Honda 754 flat tracker. This is a fantastic bike. We've got photos from a road registered bike to what it is now, so it's worth a look. It's a lot of videos and photos that Ian's taken over the build that he sent me, and we've managed to make a video out of it. So let's have a look.
Winter's a pretty grey here, it just rains for days. Sometimes it gets hard to stay here in this city of grey. I get so down, I just can't find my life. I get so down, I just gotta get through this night. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Times are getting harder, you know it's harder to stay clean. Your days start getting darker when you forget your dreams. You get so down, you wanna make it all disappear. Oh, wishing you were somewhere, anywhere but here. So give me a good high and chase these blues away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Chase these bills away. Give me a good high, forget about yesterday. Give me a good high, chase these bills away.
flat tracker build just about completed, 99% finished. All I got to do now is sort out where I want the foot pegs and the height and all that sort of stuff, and then she's good to go. Fitted a chain guide and all that to the back of it. Yeah, it's 10 months taken me, but we finally got there. Homebrewed foot brake pedal. Had to make another one because look where I've got the foot peg is going to sit. But yeah, that's it. Something different. Cheers.
Same as every other week. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. Let's bring Hagon's back.